Hi, my name's Patrick. I'll be teaching you guys a trick today, and this trick is really simple sometimes, but it can be half sometimes. But anyways, this is called a flick switch, and all it involves is one card. 6 of hearts, eight of clubs. Okay, now here's the tutorial. This is from inside you. Slow motion. So with these two fingers, you hold it like this line right here. You just like this line right here. You hold it the end of the card like that. And you, with this finger, you push down, and you just click like that. So this is what looks like fast motion, and this is a slow motion. Front view, the back view, and that is a tutorial for the flick switch. Thank you, and have a good time with this trick.